Welcome back to Trading with CJ. We have got a CTRM Castor Maritime stock update for you today. Literally just yesterday or 2 days ago, there was a big bit of news come out around this company. Now, this isn't going to be the longest video in the world. However, it is a big bit of news which could determine whether you are choosing to buy more of CTRM, potentially hold them, or even sell them. This could really affect what you're doing. Now, I spoke about this company about a week ago now, and on that video, we broke down exactly what they are. So if you want to get more into depth with this company, check that out. It's going to be the link in the description below. However, I did mention that I bought into this stock, and I've also mentioned that this is probably my riskiest position. It is one of my smallest positions, but it is definitely my riskiest position. But if this pays off, this could definitely be big because the potential here is huge. So let's jump into, first of all, about this company. In a nutshell, this company is a global shipping company. They have lots of cargo ships, and they are engaging in the transportation of dry bulk commodities. And they are in a bit of a struggling time at the moment because they've just been given their 180-day NASDAQ extension listing. We'll go into that in a bit, but this could be a big catalyst for this company and potentially why a lot of investors are enjoying it right now. I want to jump into the stock price to start this off actually and show you what's happened since the video. So about a week ago, we covered these. Now my actual average price on these is around about 34 cents. So at this moment in time, we are sitting up 20%, which is fine. However, I'm holding this to potentially get 300%. That's really what I want on this company. I want 300% and more. So we're currently at 42 cents per share. It saw a very big run up just yesterday of around about 30% or so. So yeah, a big run up. Maybe that was to do with this news coming out, potentially. So I won't be surprised if we do see a pullback going forward. The news that did come out was this. Castor Maritime announces capsize bulk carrier vessel acquisition. It has entered through a whole separately owned subsidiary into an agreement to purchase a 2006 Japan-built capsize dry bulk carrier from an unaffiliated third-party seller for a ground price of 17.5 million. Now, we already spoke about before about the ships that they added. In October, so not too long ago, a few months ago, they already bought another 2 ships. And that totaled to, I think it was around about 30 million or so for those 2 combined, and now they've got another one for 17.5 million. This is going to be their 7th vessel, and you can see here the acquisition is expected to be taking delivery of the vessel sometime at the end of the first quarter, heading into the second quarter. So it's not too far away, and this is going to be the 7th ship in their fleet. So the big catalyst to this company really is the NASDAQ listing. They have been given a 180-day extension to remain on the NASDAQ, and that was given around about the end of December time. And that is up until June the 28th. So they have to hit the price of $1 for a share for 10 consecutive days to be able to remain on the NASDAQ by June the 28th. June the 28th might sound a bit far away, but it's not. It's about 5 months away, and they have to get to that $1 price. At the time when we spoke about this, they was about 3x of that. There was 3 times away. There was around about 35 cents. Now, as I said, we've seen a slight run up. We're at 42 cents. This is still has to 2.5 times that to get to that NASDAQ listing. That is percentage gains that they have to hit of around about 240%. So the upside growth on this is huge. And that's just to remain on the NASDAQ. If you're looking at this company as a long-term hold, then, whatever the price target on this could be a lot higher. For me, I'm using this one as a trade, okay? This one is a trade. I'm hoping to get that $1 price target or near that, and we're going to make some big money. Like I said, we're already up 20% since we last spoke about this, and hopefully that this will get near to that NASDAQ price target. So what am I doing with my shares, and is this a time for you guys to buy, hold, or sell? Well, I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research first. However, personally, I'm happy with my position in this company. I'm not looking to buy it anymore, that's for sure. This is extremely risky, but there's a lot of reward there as well. So it really is up to you and your risk tolerance. Have you got the risk tolerance for this? Because if this does get to that NASDAQ listing price or near that price, then this is going to be big. I personally don't think that they will be spending all of this money buying these ships and putting in all the effort that they have been doing lately, to then get dropped off the NASDAQ. I really do think there is big things ahead, or at least a listing, which means an upside of potentially now over 200%. But if you did buy back in a week ago, then you'll be looking at over 300%. So that's my stance on this company. I'm not looking to buy anymore, but I also won't be selling. I'm definitely holding this out, and we're going to see where we can get with this one. It is risky, and that's why I've said it is my smallest position in my portfolio. And if you want to keep up to date, if I do, change my outlook or something which, maybe fundamentals will change in a company, that is always a possible. You always have to keep on top of these companies because fundamentals can change. Therefore, your investment is potentially at higher risk. So you should always do your research into these. And if you want to keep up to date, join our Discord. It is completely free. First link in the description, and I'll post my updates on that. I post my updates on that every single day with what I'm buying, holding, selling, etc. And there's a good community forming on there as well. We've got a lot of investors on there, and a few of them in there are holding CTRM as well, and they're giving updates on that as well. So definitely check that out. First link in the description below. Also, I want to point out what the CEO has to say. We are very pleased that we are able to quickly utilise our recently raised capital and agree into the acquisition of our 7th vessel. We believe it is currently an opportune time to move to larger dry bulk sizes, as we are the view that these are also attract and benefit in the current improving market. We are committed to further expanding our fleet by taking advantage of attractive opportunities presented to us in the vessel sizes and segments, allowing us to achieve our long-term goal of delivering long profitability to our shareholders. So they really do have a good outlook on this company. I have spoke about this guy before, the CEO, because he's doing everything. We don't like that, but you can check that out in our other video. So yeah, I just wanted to update you on my position, what I'm doing. But if you've enjoyed this video, smash the like, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments, are you holding CTRM? Who's invested into this company and who is potentially looking to get some big gains? Let me know down below. Let me know your price targets as well. Thanks for watching. And until next time,